Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Josh Impact Insights, your weekly talk show about causes and effects. Our guest today is Mr. Rishabh Savansukha, Chief Secretary Apex of Jito Business Network, where his role is to enable, engage, build, and nurture business networks. Jito has a strong community of over 14,000 business owners from 40 plus industry groups across 100 cities worldwide. Rishabh is a chartered accountant and has a master's in business finance with over 22 years of experience of working with companies like Indian Oil, Coca-Cola, Oracle, and Snapdeal in various cross-functional areas. He has founded 5 startups till date, as well as developed the 7 pillars of community commerce framework and has authored a book on this as well. He has filed 1 patent and 3 copyrights for proprietary game development in community commerce. Helping brands with gamification is something which excites him, and he is open to gamify any complex compliance process, purpose, or campaign. Rishabh, welcome to Josh Impact Insights. It will be great to know more about Jito and what it stands for.
Yeah. So basically, the Jain International Trade Organization, as we call it, so Jito is stand on 3 pillars: Seva, knowledge, and economic empowerment. So Jito is the best example how a community can give back to the society, empower the society, and also make everybody grow collectively. We have wings and projects. So Jito wings are like youth wing, ladies wing. Then we have international wing. And then we have chapters. The chapter is nothing but a geographical body. But apart from this, the overall principle, the overarching principle of Jito is developing the community, and there are projects to do that. One of the projects is Jito Business Network, which work for enable to engage for economic empowerment. Now, there are 4 words: enabling, engaging, economic empowerment. So how to do that is very simple. That in the community, everybody don't have the aspiration to become number 1 in the world. No, people have smaller aspirations, and how a community can help them to meet those aspirations. If I have some talent, who will recognize my talent, who will reward my talent, who will compensate my talent, is a big question mark. So everybody tries of their own. Jito gives a platform where you can try it out and you get benefited without any commercial interest, because Jito being a social organization, so we do not charge for that per se. So it's like a community initiative. So people would love to get engaged with, because they know that network is network only when you give time to it.
So what kind of social initiatives does Jito support? And what did the organization do to help the community during the pandemic?
A lot of development work is being done, because as I told you that the 3 pillars of Jito, one is Seva, economic empowerment, and also the knowledge. So you can give back to the society with tan, man, and dhan. When we say tan, means the volunteering, whether it's a planting a tree, or basically providing the ambulance support, or providing the COVID essential during the COVID time. Lot of free supports, distribution of medical essentials. Then also taking care of the society, who is people who are in need. So irrespective of the the benefit, like blood donation, plasma donation, so many things. Jito did a lot of program during the COVID, like helping the COVID patient with food, very home cooked food distribution, the ration distribution to the needy people, then the oxygen concentrator and COVID care center in villages, particularly in Rajasthan, where the far-flung villages, people cannot come to city. So there also 2-bed, 3-bed kind of a COVID care centers were given, plus the education enablement for the children, and also for those people who lost their jobs because of the COVID. So there also we created a concept called Jito Jobs, wherein we list the jobs which people can hire them. So likewise, there were a lot of ambulance facility. Of course, is something which Jito has done. Plus, in terms of enabling the entrepreneurship, because India needs more entrepreneurs, more job creators. So that I want to specifically mention that, the principle of Jito, Seva, knowledge and economic empowerment, actually it revolves around entrepreneurship. In our community, the entrepreneurship is considered like a worship to the God. Because when we create jobs, I remember my grandmother used to tell me that, Rishabh, I will be happy when I see that how many jobs you have created. So we always keep on thinking about the new business models so that we can create more opportunity for the other people. That is how the thinking happens. So how a build to last organization is evaluated, the only one principle that what best you are doing for all the stakeholders like employees, your suppliers, your governments by paying taxes in time, and all your other stakeholders like your customers. So it is an ecosystem, and that is how Jito is believes in building those ecosystem in a community way.
Yes, even I read about some of the amazing projects taken up by Jito, from setting up of COVID care centers to running oxygen on wheels. COVID has led to the closing down of many businesses. How did you help the small companies during these tough times?
Yeah, so during COVID, when the lockdown happened, that time, I was wondering that, I am not able to travel, and most of my work, whether it was on agri projects or it was on client work, was dependent on travel. And all of a sudden, travel stopped. Then I realized that, I can tell people to build their digital assets. So I picked up this, topic of how to build digital asset, because I found most of the MSME, most of the business owners, they were struggling to, sell. They were struggling to market themselves. They were struggling to connect with their team members sitting at home. So there were, enough gaps which I observed, and I started pushing it in a 7-pillar framework of community commerce, which is how to build your community digitally, because we are all living in a digital metaverse. The second is how to strengthen your connections with your employee, with your families, with your bankers, with your investors, with your customers. So every stakeholder is important in life. The third thing is how to groom those connections by a content, because nowadays the video content is very important. Podcasting is very important. Your LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter. So the traditional approach of doing business, the workshops, seminars were no more happening. So how to make use of virtual seminars, how to get best out of a virtual expo. So I started building modules around that. Not only for Jito, I did it for World Trade Center, for CII, for FTCCI. So for more than 50 organizations I did, for Chamber of Commerce, etc. And then once you have nurtured the connection with the content, you need to work on the creativity, because creativity is very important. Be it a picture or a video, 30-second video can be more effective than a 30-minute something from program. So how to gamify the whole thing by collaborating, connecting the dots with marketplaces, because there are a lot of marketplaces offering so many things, but many people don't know how to leverage the marketplace. There is a lot of things which is happening, and in particularly education part, because reskilling is the need of the hour, whether you are a student or a kid or a grown-up businessman. Everyone we need to shift the gear, so they need to know how to do that. So Jito Center for Excellence was launched last year, and they identified 250 such skill areas for future, for 21st century. And we started tying up with IIM Ahmedabad for a joint program, which is a joint certification program. We tied up with Harvard for a joint program. So we are tying up with the best of the best organization, best of the best coaches, whether it's a Rahul Jain or it's a Dr. Bindra or whosoever. So basically, we believe that all our community members should get the best, and that is where the focus program project called Center for Excellence was created. And now peer learning is another area. So in Jito Business Network, we started a program called Meet the Mentor, MTM. In Meet the Mentor, once in a month, we call a mentor like Motilalji Oswal or KLJ Group, Kannelalji Jain, or those who have built the organization, built to last organization on their own. And they don't share their story. Actually, in MTM, they get the question from the audience and they answer those questions. So this is the beauty of Meet the Mentor. It is not that we are sharing their life story. They are actually sharing their wisdom and experience. People read about it. They went back to the drawing board and look at the business models, what will work, what will not work. Of course, during that period, financial assistance is one part. We conducted a lot of programs. Even now on 7th, I'm conducting a program with the MSME that how to raise finance, how to do factoring, what are the supply chain financing, what are the government schemes, what are the MSME schemes, so that people should know. Because in a troubled situation, many people don't know about the various benefits which are available from the government side, from the business side, and how they can ring fence the risk and improve the cash flow. Because at the end of the day, in any business, the runway is cash flow. At given point, you may not make profit, but if you are able to generate cash flow, you can meet your critical expenses. You can retain your critical staff. You can keep your machinery running. So this is very important. So we focused on financial capacity building. We invited top financial experts from the world, from India, like people like Anil Lamba, people like who have mastered the art, right? So they came up faster with the solution, and we were faster enough to pick up those solutions and put it into implementation.
I am sure all these mentorship programs would have helped the businesses to overcome their problems. As per you, what is one of the most important things to consider during the current situation?
This is the point where we need to use gamification to reach out to the kids, to create an environment, which I'm working right now, to create an environment through gamification so that people can take charge of their life. Because if they don't take charge of their life, it will become very difficult, because the immunity is very, very, very important for every human of whatever age, from 8 years to 80 years. The only thing which can come from inside is immunity. And there are 4 factors: food, water, nature, and content. So these 4 things are being consumed by our body, by our mind. So as a community, I believe that a lot of work need to be done, not in a Gyan mode, because the generation Z is not receptible to the Gyan mode. They know that, they believe that they have everything access. They have access to information that has become a belief that they have access to wisdom also. They have access to everything, but which is not correct. Access to information is only a ocean of content. It doesn't mean that you have the pulse of wisdom. So we need to tell the people what is good and what is bad for them, and how they can make it actionable.
Superb. Gamification sounds exciting. We would love to know more about it, but due to time constraints, we'll have to end our session here today. Will be great if we can talk more about it sometime in the coming future. Any message for the viewers?
So friends, whosoever is listening to me, one thing I want to say, that for humanity to survive and immunity to remain intact, start giving time to your community. And community means wherever you live, your neighborhoods, your virtual neighborhoods, your virtual friends, whatever way you want to contribute, start contributing, become more empathetic to the situation, because we all are in same storm.
Thank you so much, Rishabh, for taking out time and sharing these insights with us. Jito is doing a wonderful job and creating a huge impact in the community. Wishing you all the very best for the initiatives planned in the future.
Thank you very much, Taveshi, for allowing me this.